Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monlisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 123rd episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata. Philippines, Father Salvatore Putsu receives a Lifetime Achievement Award for Catechetical Publications for Youth. Word and Life Publications General Manager Father Bernard Nolasco reports from Manila.
Salesian Father Salvatore Putsu, popularly known as Father Sal, received a Lifetime Achievement Award during the 16th Cardinal Sin Catholic Book Awards held on September 15, 2022 at the Manila International Book Fair in SMX Convention Center, Pasay City. The Lifetime Achievement Award is given to a Catholic writer whose life work represents a continuing contribution to the propagation of the Christian faith through the print media, in recognition of the author's exemplary Catholic life and apostolic zeal, as reflected in the Christian values and ideals contained in their writings. Father Putsu founded Word and Life Publications in 1989, which has been a leading source of materials for evangelization and catechesis for young people. In 2008, he received the Serviam Award, the highest award given by Catholic Mass Media Awards to distinguished individuals or groups in the field of media evangelization.
The 5 joyful mysteries of the Rosary narrate events connected with Jesus' birth and growth. The next 5 mysteries of light show the light of God manifested through Jesus. The 5 sorrowful mysteries recount the agony and crucifixion of Jesus. The last 5 mysteries narrate the resurrection of Jesus and the glorification of his Mother Mary. The 20 Stations of the Life-Size Rosary Way is an ideal project for Jubilee Year 2025. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco Past Pupil by email churchart.ganguly@gmail.com and WhatsApp/Telegram country code 919831020945. Philippines, 10 Salesian family groups join online vocation talk. 5 of 8 Salesian aspirants refer their Salesian inspiration to Walk Talk. Vocation Director Father Jason David reports from Manila.
Walk Talk is an online tambayan, Filipino for a hangout spot meant to help young people become salt and light of the world. This program, popularized as Walk Talk, Usapang Bokasyon at Buhay-Buhay, translated as Talks on Vocation and Life Matters, is broadcasted online every Saturday and anchored by the Philippines North Vocation Director Father J. David alongside other youth volunteers. It aims to reach out to the youth and young at heart who are currently discerning about life and vocation. Walk Talk has accomplished Salesian digital presence on social media with hundreds of vocational talk show episodes, videos on discernment, vocation promotion, and short vocational testimonies, short song covers called Sanctify, and posts on youth's insight into a variety of religious, clerical, lay, and missionary vocation stories, as well as reflections on the Word of God and even life and society. The weekly online program is entwined with live offline programs like the recent Walk Talk 2nd Anniversary Initiative, DAB, Together to Get There, a 3-day sports league that took place in Don Bosco College, Canlubang, featuring basketball, volleyball, and Mobile Legend tournaments participated by youths from different parishes. Voktok connects 10 Salesian family groups in the Philippines from the Voktok studio in Don Bosco, Canlubang. The Voktok program, conducted in a Filipino-English mixture, has contributed to the discernment of 5 out of the 8 new aspirants of the province.
India Rector Major releases 494-page book on global issues, reports Father Sajan Valavil.
The Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Atime released a book, Globalization and Global Fraternity, authored by Father T.C. George, Professor of Pastoral Theology at Christi Jyoti College, Bangalore, at the meeting of the Salesian Family Major Superiors of the South Asia region in Goa on 14 September 2022. The book discusses various aspects of the reality of globalization and global issues affecting human persons at the political, economic, social, cultural, and religious levels. The book offers secular and religious perspectives for building a better globalized and inclusive world for the benefit of all, and proposes pathways for ushering in universal fraternity and social relationship. The author proposes the clarion call of Pope Francis, Fratelli Tutti, as the best response to the challenges. The 494 pages book is published by Christi Jyoti Publications, Bangalore, and is sold at Indian rupees 900.
You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Nepal Salesian Youth Movement unites youth of 5 Don Bosco centers. Father Augusti Pulikal reports from Kathmandu.
Some 90 young people and 10 animators of 5 Don Bosco centers of Nepal met at the Don Bosco Techo in Kathmandu to celebrate Salesian Youth Movement from 16th to 17th September 2022. Salesian direct reach out through academic and technical institutions in Nepal caters to some 4,000 youths on a given day. Presently, there are 9 Don Bosco and 2 FMA centers in Nepal. The tenets of Salesian Youth Movement were shared with young people through key input sessions. A session on challenges of today and its possible solutions revealed how young people are already engaged in tackling various issues. They also pledged to take Salesian Youth Movement forward in their respective centers. The Salesian Youth Movement spirituality was also shared with the youth who participated in the Eucharist and in other moments of prayer. Brother Philip and Fathers Stephen Bishwakarma and Gyan Kujur organized the meeting in collaboration with the Salesian sisters on behalf of the Nepal coordination. The songs and party games and the campfire enthralled the youth and facilitated their uninhibited and wholehearted participation.
India Barefoot Parish Nursery School System caters to 11 villages and 551 children. Father Hubert Uttam Molsam reports from Shillong.
Little Flower Nursery School under Salesians of Don Bosco, Holy Family Church Rongjeng in East Garo Hills of Meghalaya State is an unconventional way of running a school for the most deprived and below poverty line families. The school takes children from ages of 3 to 10 years and provides a basic learning in the vernacular and English languages in the village itself. Those children who excel are given double promotion within 1 year of learning. Weekly and monthly tests are conducted in order to find out the meritorious students. Children are provided with slate, pencils, and essential textbooks. Teacher is brought from outside to stay in the village so that parents need not take children to faraway school. With low tuition fees, comparatively excellent basic learning is provided for children where no government or private school exists.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.